In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix make your own face in Roblox. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, creating and uploading custom face textures to Roblox is handled through the Creator dashboard using the modern dynamic heads format or classic 2D decal textures. If your custom face isn't showing up in the game, is failing to publish, or looks distorted on your avatar layout, the issue is typically a file formatting mismatch or an unanchored transparency layer or an asset moderation delay. So firstly, you want to check the canvas resolution. Make sure it's exactly 512 by 512 pixels, as non-square dimensions will stretch across the head mesh layer. Make sure you use PNG. Do not use JPG or JPEG when you go to export. It has to be PNG because it needs a transparency. Now, what I want to go ahead and do is navigate to the browser and then go over to create.roblox.com. Then click on the dashboard link tile at the top of the screen header layout. Then once you go ahead to that, all you want to do is jump over to the development items tab layer. Now, once you're in the development items area, you're going to see a lot of different things. But once you jump over to it, select decals. And I'm just going to go ahead and select mine right now. And you want to upload the asset. And as you can see, you just got to make sure it's 20 megabytes at up to the top. Only can be maximum number of one file. And then it can be JPG, PNG, TGA, or BMP, but the most reliable, like I said, is going to be PNG, so it doesn't strip away those transparency files. So then upload the asset, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.